Here we go. I walk up to my car and I'm like, ah, yeah, that looks pretty dope. So this is about to be my kind of install. This is the OG original. And one of the things that I loved about my Lexus IS was that when I would open this door, the sill would be illuminated. I always thought that was real cool. It looked, it made the car look more luxurious. So Tesla did offer this, and they offer it now on their website, but it only comes with the two front ones. But it's like $175 and $250 if you want black. So if you look at this one right here, I went with silver. It's going to be easier to install because one, with the Tesla one, you have to remove the old original one. And then I heard that was a doozy. And then you have to install the new one from Tesla. Now with this one right here, this is going to go right on top. Bang, bang, just like that. Right on top. So I don't have to remove anything, but I'm going to clean it off. So let's see how easy this install is. And let's see if it makes a huge difference. Ooh, I like that silver. That silver looks good. Let's see what's up. So like I said, it comes with two for the front and also two for the back. So that should be pretty cool. And here's the installation kit. Everything we need. The magnets or extra magnets. Ooh, alcohol pads, okay. Definitely gonna need all this. Dang, can I get some more alcohol pads? Just one? All right. So I'm gonna walk you through this. Here's the instructions, but you're gonna see how easy this is. I watched one video online and I got it down. So here we go. All right, first things first, we need to clean off the original. Clean this all off. Yeah, because it's gonna stick to it. It's gonna stick to it, so let's get it nice and clean. Ugh, it's nasty. Dry it off. Try this primer. I got more of these in the house, but dang, give me one for each. Here we go. Oh, see, that's busted now anyway. Oh my goodness. And there's another one here. Okay, now let's go ahead and place it right on top. Easy how it lines up already. Press it down, holding it, holding it, holding it. And then we take this, one of these little rings, and I almost feel like I should clean under here too, because it attaches to under there. Let me do that. I'm just gonna wipe it underneath. Okay, I'm cleaning underneath here. That's where it's gonna stick to. So here we go. Sticky side up. I'm gonna place it right here. Just like that. Now watch this. You close the door. Ugh. Bang. Then you open the door. Now that piece we just took off, or that round piece, is under there. Bang. Now that's gonna help with the sensor, because now we're gonna take this little piece and stick it in there. All right, so little. Go ahead and remove the little sticky adhesive. I'm glad they give you replacement parts because this stuff little, man. And I'm gonna stick it underneath. I'm gonna show you. So there's a magnet stuck right underneath. So let's go ahead and test it out. So now, cross your fingers for me. This is about to be an easy install. Here we go. I walk up to my car and I'm like, ah, yeah, that looks pretty dope. Okay, easy install. Let's go ahead and do the back because the back's a little different. I don't have a guide, but let's see what's up. Okay, we're gonna start with the same process. I'm gonna clean this. Wipe it clean, wipe it clean. Get it all nice and clean. Go ahead and before I put the alcohol, I just want to see where I want to line this up. There's like a curve right here, so I want it at the base of the curve, but I don't want it too low here either. So I'm thinking I'm gonna slide down the curve and right there where it sits. Okay. Also, if you look closely, you see a little hole right here, little hole right here. I want to kind of line those up. I think I'm gonna go right there. I think I like that spot. Now here's the beautiful thing. They come with some guides. Once I have it where I like it, I can put the guides down so I can remember where it is. Looks pretty level. Now nobody's gonna be looking at this like this, except for me. And I'm kind of like that. Kind of, I wouldn't say OCD, but you know me. Okay, I want to make sure it looks nice and even. I think I like that. Oh, this way a little bit. I think I like that right there. Boom. Y'all see that? Bottom guide, side guide. I might as well put the other one in because they gave it to me. So one more side guide, bottom guide, other side guide. I think it looks pretty level, pretty even. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, so everything else is the same. I'm gonna tear this. Got my alcohol wipe. I'm gonna remove it since it's in the guide. Let me lift this up. Let me go ahead and clean it. Let's go ahead and put it right back in place on my guides. Guide. Sticky again. My little loop. There it is. Face up, sticky side up. Just like that. There it is. Oh, don't forget, I'm gonna clean under here. Let me dry under there. And here we go. Closing. Shouldn't take much time, but you know me. Here we go, let's open it up. It's gone again. It's gone again. And it's under here, let me show you. Oh. Now I'm gonna take this magnet and put it under there the same way that I did last time. Now, let me not forget to remove the guides. Man, talk about an easy install. Let's see how it looks. Cross your fingers. Bang. Let me turn off the lights. I feel good. Turn off the lights, and here I come walking up to my car. Open it up. Bang! Woo! Let me see the front. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we talking. hey, that's an easy install. I'm gonna do the other two sides. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Cobra showed ya. All right, y'all. Dang, that look good.